Hello friends, today I am going to speak about how to use homeopathic remedies. The main homeopathic remedies, that is the main dilutions. They are usually in potentized forms. First potency is 30 potency. This is arsenical 30. You can see 30. Then the next potency is 200 potency. Then the next one is 1 m. Like that we have 10 m and then cm also. These potentized medicines we usually prepare by putting in empty globules. We take in a bottle and put 2-3 drops and prepare it. Today I will tell you how to use the remedies, main homeopathic remedies, and how to store them. If you follow these guidelines, you will get maximum results from homeopathic medicines. Otherwise, most of the people are not knowing how to use the remedies, and they are saying it doesn't suit us, we are not getting benefited by these remedies, etc. So today I am going to tell you the 9 guidelines how to use and how to store the homeopathic remedies. First one is that you should not keep the main remedies near any strong smelling odors. That is in a closet where you store perfumes, or in a room where you have agarbattis or any camphor or anything which is lighted. And even you should not keep the homeopathic medicines in the fridge or near the TV or any electronic gadgets, because the vibrations coming from them will spoil the potency. Actually, we potentize the medicines by concussions, by moving the remedy, and 200 means there will be some specified amount of concussion will be there for that. So it's better not to store near any electronic gadgets or any vibration emitting substances like computers or such gadgets. And another thing I want to tell you is that you should not consume anything 1 hour before taking the medicine and 1 hour after taking the medicine. Suppose if it is 10 m, it's better to give 2 hours gap after taking. If you have to take during dinner, just take dinner, wait for half an hour, then have water, then again wait for half an hour, then take the medicine directly on the tongue, and then you go to bed, so that you will not take anything after that. Whole night it will act. Usually I prescribe medicines mostly, main remedies mostly at bedtime, so that people will not eat anything. Another main thing I want to tell you is that most of the people don't know that we should not consume anything after taking the main medicines. Anything means like this, what do you say, betel nut, somf and all this. Most of the people in the northern belt and the southern belt, they actually after dinner they put something in the mouth, some nice smelling things like pan and all that. If these things are used, it is better to give a gap of 3 hours. Another thing is, which I want to tell, some people carry the medicine in their purse. If you have to carry the medicine in your purse, you should see that nothing smells, nothing of strong smelling odors are in the same bag where you are carrying these medicines. Another thing which I want to tell is that if suppose you are a smoker, you should not smoke after at least after 6 o'clock. So if you are taking the medicine at bedtime, after 6 o'clock at least you have to give a gap of 4 hours. For smokers, even alcohol also you have to give a gap of 1 hour. And betel nut, etc. also it's better to give a gap of 4 hours. Another main thing is, most of the southern belt people, Indian people, they have coffee even during evening time, and after 8 o'clock also some people take coffee. It's better, if you want to take homeopathic medicines, don't take coffee after 6 o'clock in the evening. That way it will act well. Especially coffee and camphor, all the homeopathic medicines usually get antidoted. Antidoted means they will not be effective. In that way people will say, oh, it's not working for me. It's not that. Actually, you should know how to use the homeopathic medicines. These are the main guidelines which I want to tell you. Another thing is that you should take the medicine, you should not touch with your hand. Even while pouring into the lid, you should just tap it lightly and put directly on the tongue. And afterwards you should not eat anything. Most of the people I have seen, they put on their palm and then just lick them. That is not the way to take the homeopathic medicine. You have to follow most of the guidelines which I have told. Then only you will be able to uh, medicine will act well for you. And also most of the ladies, what they do, they keep the medicines in the kitchen. Even heat and strong fumes in the kitchen also make it, they antidotes the medicine. So it's not it's better to keep the medicines in a closet where you don't store anything which has strong odors. That is the main thing, especially in the dining hall or something. If you keep, that will be better. You should not keep in the bedroom because you may be using Odomos or something, good night mats or something. Those fumes also will antidote the medicine and it will not act well. Thank you.